For these delicate seed bead charm necklaces, I'm using sweet and petite charms from Double Bead and their beautiful size 11 Czech glass seed beads. Also, to make my beading even easier, I'm using their Double Bead Spinner. Now you can double up your colors, plus it comes with 2 hook and beading needles. For my first necklace, I'm filling up 1 container with the black seed beads. Spin the spinner, place your hook needle inside and start adding beads to your nylon thread. You can't believe how easy it is using a bead spinner. You can bead a necklace in minutes. Next, I'm adding white beads to my necklace with the neighboring bead spinner, and just for fun, I'm separating the black and white with beautiful metallic gold seed beads. Not only does Double Bead have every bead that you could ever need, it has tons of colors of seed beads. Any color you can think of, they have it. Now I'm adding a section of alternating black and white and continuing my design. To finish my ends, I like to use a clamshell bead tip with a double loop. Add that to the strand of beads and then add a crimp bead. Crimp the bead close to the needle so that you have lots of slack to work with. Slide the clamshell bead tip next to the crimped bead and then add some jewelry glue inside the clam and enclose the crimp bead inside. Cut off the excess thread. Slide your beads toward the clamshell. Thread the needle on the other end and repeat the process. With a small jump ring, I'm adding a sweet and petite bead to the necklace, and then I'll finish off the ends with a lobster claw and jump rings for my closure. I'm going to try another version of this necklace in hot pink and white with a beautiful little cactus for my charm. You'll notice I'm using a long straight needle with my bead spinner here, and that's fine, as long as you're careful to position it just right inside the bead spinner. Once my necklace is beaded and the clamshell bead tips are on each end, I'm going to add this beautiful blue and white flower charm. Try different charms and different color combinations. These would make wonderful gifts for your friends and even terrific matching friendship necklaces for your bestie. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'm going to leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want projects that I don't share anywhere else that are a bit more personal than what I share on YouTube, follow me on Patreon. And if you want even more inspiration, grab one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts Volume 2, and I'll see you real soon. Bye everybody.